Hey, good morning. Paul here. It is January 25th, 2019. So let's see what we got going on in the Las Vegas market. New listings. Let's see here. Oops. There we go. Okay, this little guy here. Little townhome, 1,376 square feet, 138.9. High ceilings, 2-story. It's nice and clean. Okay, and that's built in '84. Let's see what else we got here on the higher end of things. Coastline here, 1.225, 4,700 square feet. Huh, interesting. Looks like the lakes somewhere. These nice, luxurious houses, high-end area, that's for sure. Pretty nice. Waterfront, little dock there. There's no motorized vehicles on this or motorized boats on this, so they usually use little paddle boats. It's pretty cool. You got your own little dock there. Nice drone shot. No pool, but that's alright. Like an older home that's been refurbished. So when was it built? 88. Yeah, there we go. Pretty nice. Right there. West Sahara, right there in the lakes. Nice. Okay, then from there we go to yesterday's $68,000 condo. 1 bedroom, 2 bath, built in '83. Okay. And the high end, like a lot of activity yesterday. 7 pages, 8 pages, here we go, right to here. 188 between yesterday and today. Over on Villa Rica, 6,100 square feet, 2001. There we go, golf course there. 7 Hills, nice backyard. Interesting. What that gate's for. Looks like it goes to a wet bar there. Gets to keep the kids out. I don't know. You can see it right there. Oh, and they pass drinks out to the pool area. That's pretty cool. Nice house. Okay. And of course, like I said, 7 Hills area. So 7 Hills there, out there, out there, out there. Okay. Alright. So, what else we got going on here? Looks like we had actual close yesterday, the 25th. Oh, there's only like 3 of them that closed yesterday, or today I should say. They've already been reported, or they've closed yesterday. As far as the 24th goes, wow, look at that, a lot of them closing on the 24th. 63, ranging anywhere from
Good morning, agents. Please join us in the bullpen for prospecting, and then we will be having a taco lunch. Thank you.
see here. 680 I think is the highest priced one. Closed. I don't see anything more than that. Okay, well that's pretty cool. And you under contract? So that sounds pretty good. Okay, been on the market, been here for 5 minutes. I guess that's all we got going on today. We will talk to you. Today is Friday, so talk to you on Monday. Have a great weekend.